Sit tall like a strong mountain. Stretch your both the hands up. Keep your spine long, shoulders relaxed, and take a slow, deep breath. Feel calm, steady, and strong. Stretch one leg out and bend the other leg in. Reach up, then gently bend and reach towards your extended leg. Breathe slowly and feel your side body stretch. Now stay there on the other side. Sit tall and take a big breath in. As you breathe out, gently twist your body to one side. Keep your spine long and feel your back and tummy wake up. Now stay there on the other side. Squat down low like a little frog. Bring your hands together and keep your chest lifted. Take a deep breath and feel strong and balanced. Lift your hips up high to make an upside down V. Stretch like a playful puppy. Wag your imaginary tail and enjoy the big stretch. Start like a happy dog. Then lift one leg high toward the sky. Keep your arms strong and your hips steady. Breathe in and breathe out. Reach your leg higher. Now stay there on the other side. Step one foot forward and one foot back. Keep your legs strong. Then gently fold over your front leg. Breathe deeply and stretch like a tall pyramid. Now stay there on the other side. Raise your both the hands up. Push your hips forward. Bend back and stay there. Raise your both the hands up and bend forward. Stretch your whole body nicely and try to place your palms on the ground. Sit with your legs stretched out and place your hands behind you. Press your hands down and lift your hips up high. Keep your body strong like a straight bridge. Breathe and hold. Lie on your tummy and bend your knees. Reaching your hands back to hold your ankles. Lift your chest and legs gently like a bow ready to fly. Take a deep breath, stay strong, and slowly release. Lie on your back and bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees gently open out like beautiful wings. Take a slow, deep breath and relax your whole body. Lie on your back and gently lift your legs up toward the sky. Support your back with your hands and keep your body tall and steady. Breathe slowly and stay calm. From shoulder stand, slowly take your legs over your head toward the floor behind you. Feel your body stretch like a strong little flow. Bend your both the legs. Take your right leg closer to your chest and hug it and stay there for a while. Now stay there on the other side. Lie comfortably on your back and keep your legs together. Slowly lift both the legs up toward the sky and keep them steady. Breathe gently and feel your legs becoming strong. Lie on your back and let your knees gently twist to one side. Stretch, breathe, and let your whole body feel